How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 57 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop, done in Matador red, India Ivory top. It's a factory color on the car. See, all the bumpers and the chrome have all been replaced on this car, or re-chromed, I should say. Really nice car. Just a good cruiser. It's got a 327 350 horse with a Tremec 5-speed manual trans. It's got power disc brakes. It's got the matching interior, red and black interior in it. Just a super neat car. Good solid old car. It's a two-owner car as far as we know. See, the rear bumper all looks real nice. Got the Bel Air exhaust tips. Looks good down the sides. This car drives out beautifully. 60 mile an hour, 15 to 1600 RPM. You can run the thing down the freeway 80 mile an hour if you want. Drive anywhere you want to go. See, it's got the disc brakes up front. It's at a 17-inch Rev Classic wheels. Got a nice aluminum intake. Aluminum radiator, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb with electric choke, electronic ignition. Say, it's just a super neat car. Got nice duals on it, you know, not loud, just a good cruising car. This car rides beautifully. Nice and clean. The interior was all done in this car about 15 years ago, and it still looks like new. Dash all looks good. The dash is all original. They did do an AM/FM cassette radio back in the day. Got a nice vintage tach on the column. I tell you, with that Tremec 5-speed, it just cruises so nice. Trunk's real nice and clean on the car. Got the factory spare, the jack. It's got the deluxe trim there across the back and across the deck lid. Kind of matches the trim on the quarter panel. Got a pair of gauges there nicely mounted under the dash. Keep an eye on the motor. All the flippers on the top work like they should. Fires right up. Wipers work. License plate and everything works on it. Just super nice car to get in, cruise this car, take the family, go for a ride, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.